dreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Charniq. Welcome. As y'all can see by the title, this is going to be a what's new in my closet, what's new that I've been shopping for. And I have been getting some new little items that I kind of wanted to show y'all. It's not really like a dedicated haul, but it is like a haul, like a shopping haul, I guess you could call it that. Yeah, this is gonna be a what's new in my closet, some new things that I have been getting, and I figured why not show it to y'all, because these are just too cute not to show. Any items that I can link down below, I will link them down below for y'all, so make sure y'all check down below in my description box. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, leave some comments down below. Yeah, if you make it all the way through this video, make sure you subscribe and join the gang. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I actually just got a package yesterday in the mail from this company called Finesse Studios. And this is my first time shopping with this brand. I found them on Instagram actually. I did do some little research to make sure they was legit. So I'm going to be opening this package and let's see. Well, I do remember like what I got. So we're going to get into this first. Oh, I know exactly what this is. So first item that's new in my closet, and I don't even know where I'm gonna wear this at, girl, because it's not that cold in Texas. I got this red, oh baby, and y'all know why I got the red, okay, to match my hair. This red trench coat with the fur detail going on. I will be trying the items on screen so y'all can see as well. OMG, this is so freaking cute. It's perfect. I don't know, matter of fact, I kind of want to put it on right now. I still want to pop this out before winter ends, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, I have a whole look in my head, and that be my thing. Like, I be having outfits in my head and I be wanting to hurry up and wear them. This is so cute, and the quality very nice, y'all. The quality is definitely up my expectation, like I was hoping for. It has a belt to go around it. So I got this coat in a size small, so it's literally a perfect freaking fit. I gotta hurry up and pop this out before it warms up, because y'all know once February hit, girl, it's springtime. So ooh, V-Day is coming up. And you know what, they had other colors. They had this in pink, and I believe they had it in green. I want to say green, but I know for a fact I seen pink, and I was really going back and forth, should I do pink or should I do red? And I feel like I should have did pink, because the pink and the red would have been chef kiss with the hair. I also was like, I still want me a red trench coat because I don't have any red coats. So that's the first item from this company. I'm gonna link it down below if y'all interested in it. Damn, I only ordered 2 items from this company. I thought I ordered like a hella shit from this company. I guess not. Okay, these motherfuckers. So I got these patch, I want to say like graphic jeans, y'all. They are so freaking fire. I kind of was inspired by a couple of fashion pages, because I follow a few style pages with the little style inspo, and I seen these on a lot of style inspo pages. A lot of times these pages don't be linking and tagging where they got their stuff from. So luckily, when I was scrolling through this website, I saw these pants. I'm like, oh my god, these are the pants that I've been looking for, and it was on the website, and I can already tell by the quality. Fire. I actually had a look in mind, and I want to try to pop these looks out ASAP. Like, I get so excited when it comes to getting dressed up and putting looks together. So I can't wait to pop these out with the pop of color. Love that. I got these in a size small, so I really hope they fit. Let's try these on. I can't believe I only ordered 2 items, but you know what, they had so many dope items on their website, so I'm definitely gonna be ordering a lot more from this company. Just a FYI. Oh, they fit. Damn, for a size small, it's really loose. They fit perfect on on the thighs and everything, so I don't want to size down, because then if I size down it's gonna be too small. What I'm thinking is I'm just gonna get the waist altered to where, you know, it can snatch around my waist and they can fit how I want them to fit, and they go with this jacket that I already got on. Okay, so next we have Barnett, and if you don't know, I have featured this company before on my channel. Let's get into what I got from Barnett. I got me this bandage, I think it's what it's called. I think it's called bandage. So I got this two-piece set, super cute, ladies. Y'all know V-Day is coming up, so this will be something really perfect to wear for V-Day. Now the skirt was my favorite part, because if you know me, you know it. Oh yeah, I did keep the pants on, y'all, because I'm just feeling the whole look. It's really stretchy, y'all. I got this set actually in the size medium. I always size up when it comes to their stuff, because literally their stuff fits so snug and tight. It smells kind of like paint though. Why does it smell like that? That's weird. Anyway, all right, so let's get into some shoes. Okay, so I got these from, what's the name of that freaking store? Nordstrom, whatever. I got it from them. These are some Jessica Simpson shoes. I got them on sale. They caught my eye. It just gave fun. It just gave me, okay? Rhinestone, platform, thick ass heels. Ugh. I cannot wait to wear these. I don't know when, I don't know where, I don't know how, but I cannot wait to wear these. These are a statement. I don't have a link to these, y'all, because I got these out the store, so I don't know when I'm gonna wear these, but just know when I wear them, baby. And they're comfortable, and usually thicker heels are always comfy. So yeah, these were really comfortable. You already know, when I was examining this shoe, I was trying to make sure there was no rhinestone out of place. It wasn't none missing. All right, so moving on to a black owned boutique that I did find on Instagram that I think y'all would love. So I did get a few pieces from this girl. I love her stuff. So let's start off with the tops. This first top I got this mesh handprint crop top. The handprints are of course covering the girls. I did already wear this top. Like when I tell y'all this outfit had the girls in a chokehold, it had the girls in a chokehold. I will link it down below if she still has it available on her website. I've been feeling the whole shirts and tops and stuff that had like covering the tatas. Like I don't know, I've been feeling those tops. I know some people, that's not everybody's style. As long as the girl's not out for real, I'm cool. Like it's just covering up. It's cute to me. It's a look, it's a vibe. The next top I did get from her was this crop sweater top. I got it in the size small, and I kind of want to wait to kind of save this once it kind of like starts warming up, because right now it's kind of, you know, we in winter time, so it's kind of look cool to wear this unless I put a coat with it. I don't want to cover it up with no coat, so I think I'm gonna just wait to pull this out once it starts to kind of warm back up. I do love how she styles her stuff on her website. That's how I got my first inspo for my first outfit, because it kind of gives me ideas on how I want to wear it. But yeah, I thought this was really cute. Quality is a 10 out of a 10. All right, so the next item I got from her brand was these army. They kind of give me army vibe. Of course the color combination is different. I do have an outfit in mind that I cannot wait to put together and show y'all how I styled these pants. Something was telling me get them. Like they was just so different on the website, y'all. And I also love how it has like the green, this green cheetah print detailing going on down the peg leg, the pants leg. I'm like, that's different. And then it's the only green in the pants, so it's like now I really gotta see how I'm gonna wear this. It was really only big though in the waist area, and like I said, I'm really gonna just start getting a lot of my pants altered for real, on some real shit for real, because we don't have time for that. I want to be able to comfortably put my pants on and call it a day and not have it sagging, or not even have to worry about putting on a belt. All right, so next, these were the pants that had the girls in a chokehold. These pants had the internet in the chokehold. I love these pants. When I seen them on her website, I immediately told myself I gotta get those. And when I seen them on her website, they was just so unique to me because they had the fringe also like going down on the sides. I'm like, okay, these are perfect. This look really went up on my socials. Like it went up. Last items, I got this from this brand called SugarPopped on Instagram as well. It's a black owned boutique, And I've actually shopped with this girl before. Like, I shop with her all the time. It's especially when I need to go somewhere and I got something coming up and I know she got some cute shit, I'm going to her shit, period. It's too cold right now, so I'm definitely gonna probably end up saving this for when it starts to kind of warm up a little bit. I got this green top, right? And it has the cutout slits on the side, and then it came with the mesh shorts, and I thought it was really cute on her website, so I decided to order it. I've been feeling green a lot lately too, so yeah. Baby, the shorts are see-through. On the good note is the top, it covers one side, so one side has the slit and the other side is covered, so only like the side of your thighs is going to be out for real. So that was everything recently that's new in my closet. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I definitely want to start doing more videos like this, like showing y'all what's new in my closet, what I've been shopping for, all that good stuff. Don't forget, check down below in my description box for all the links and stuff like that if you're interested in shopping with any of these brands. Comment down below what pieces were your favorite. Subscribe to my channel if you made it all the way through, and thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like this video as well, and yeah, I will see y'all in my next one.